How to repair USB 3.0 ports in Windows 11. Updating Windows with the latest drivers can help reinstall faulty or missing drivers. Go to Start Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Optional Updates to download and install USB 3.0 driver updates. Updating the USB 3.0 root hub via the device manager can solve the problem if the Windows update didn't work. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel Itfo. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows +R and typing DMSC, then look for USB controller and uninstall USB root hub, USB 3.0, if found. Click on Action, search for changed hardware to install updated USB root hub drivers. If USB root hub, USB 3.0, is not found, still search for changed hardware and restart the computer. If all else fails, manually install USB drivers from the PC or motherboard manufacturer's website. Navigate to USB root hub, USB 3.0, in the Device Manager, right-click and select Update Drivers, then browse to the downloaded USB driver file with the INF extension and follow the manual installation steps.